Welcome to Wajid Tech Talk, your trusted place for the latest smartphone leaks, updates, and upcoming mobile launches. Today's video is all about Samsung's brand new budget and mid-range lineup for 2026, and one device that has officially entered development, the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. According to reliable sources, including the well-known Dutch publication GalaxyClub, Samsung is actively working on this model with the internal serial number SMA276, confirming that the Galaxy A27 is now in its development stage and will be launching soon. Samsung is continuing its strategic structure for the A-series lineup. The Galaxy A27 will be positioned between the more affordable Galaxy A17 and the higher-end Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 models. This lineup arrangement clearly shows that Samsung wants the A27 to target users who need a strong balance of performance, features, and pricing, making it an ideal option for the budget-conscious yet performance-focused audience. At the moment, only limited details have leaked, but early information already gives us a good idea of what to expect. Reports suggest the Galaxy A27 5G will come with a 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring full-day usage just like its predecessor. It is also expected to feature a 50-megapixel main camera, following Samsung's recent trend of offering strong camera performance even in their lower mid-range models. The design is expected to be similar to the previous generation, but with refined touches, and Samsung will likely upgrade the chipset to offer smoother performance, better connectivity, and improved power efficiency. If Samsung follows its usual release timeline for the A-series, the Galaxy A27, Galaxy A37, and Galaxy A57 are expected to launch together in March 2026. This trio will represent Samsung's next generation of budget and mid-range smartphones, aiming to bring improved camera technology, better battery efficiency, and polished designs. As new leaks and official confirmations continue to come in, we will keep you updated with every detail right here on Wajid Tech Talk. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments about the upcoming A-series lineup. Thanks for watching, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.